Okay, first of all, I will share my screen, right? So if you
So if you
can see the screen, please tell me. The screen is audible? The screen is visible?
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ দেখা যাচ্ছে।
Okay, thank you. So, first of all, you should receive a mail like this, okay? Please check your spam, your trash, everything. You should receive the mail if you have filled the form correctly. Now, what it says is open incognito on your browser and open this window, right? Open this link. Now, it will open. Can you see the incognito screen?
ইনকগনিটো স্ক্রিনটা দেখা যাচ্ছে তো।
Okay. Okay. So, in this fill up box, we should put this link, this this thing,
which
which
is
is
in
in
the
the bold letters, right? If we copy and paste here, and if you fill the captcha, and we you can click submit. I will not click because it's a one-time code, right? You have to click submit, and after that you have to sign in, right? Sign in with your Google account. After this process, you will see a window similar to this thing. See, I have logged in and I have 9 credits in my account, right? One second. See, now you have 9 credits on your account. Now you have to the labs, right? You have to spend at least 6 minutes in the lab in order to mark it as completed, right? And what are labs and what are paths, I will show you. See, there are different paths here. Okay, path mean courses. So we have to do this course, cloud engineering, engineer learning. It has 13 activities, and you should click this. And uh, here there is a button called it says that enroll in this course. You have to click enroll, then it will show this option unsubscribe, right? No, so there are multiple labs. Okay, now Devajit must have sent up
to
to,
which you have to do.
just let me recall it. Right, see, you have to do up to logging, right? Logging, monitoring, observatory in the Google Cloud. That means you have to do till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, up to 8 course you have to do. You don't have to do these things, right? You don't have to do these things. You have to do from lab to the last course, which is logging, monitoring, and observability in the Google Cloud. Right. And what are those labs? I'll show you. For example, if I click this tour of cloud hands-on lab, now as you can see, there are multiple things. Don't be confused. Okay, there are many things there. It's called the milestone tab. Okay, and here is your success process. Like there is one task which you need to complete in 45 minutes, and don't worry, it's very easy. Okay, what you need to do is start the lab, right? It will take a few seconds or minutes. See, now there is a three options, three credentials: student ID and student password. Now you have to click this Google console and open it in the incognito window, right? You can't open this in a new tab or new window. You have to open it in the incognito tab, right? So if I open this in incognito tab, then I have to sign in using not my email id, using this provided email id. Okay, you have to just copy and you have to just paste, and you have to click next. Then it will ask for the password, obviously, and the password I will copy from here. So Now the thing is done, and it says welcome to a new account. Don't worry, it's a temporary account. You are not creating multiple accounts. So I understand. Click on I understand. Now it will open Google Cloud Console. There are many things. First of all, you will get confused. So what you need to do, don't be here and there. When I had my first experience of Google Cloud a few months back ago, so I was confused. So my suggestion will be to stick to the tasks given, right, and don't see here and there. So these you can read for the first time. You can read everything written here. Start the lab. Okay, if you do start the lab before, then it will take some time. So first task is to start the lab, right? You have started. I have shown you the process. The lab is started. Then you have to click agree and continue. Then there is many things here, right? So is we need to open task 2, projects in cloud console, right? You can see it shows a picture what we are asking and what we are getting. See, the project info is display here. Okay, and similarly, you can see all the projects clicking in the projects tab. Wait a second. See, you can go to the project settings, and you can see all the projects listed down there. So that's, and the third task will be open the navigation menu. Like these are the steps, one, two, three. These are the steps which need to be completed, right? Now you will need to follow these steps. You need to follow these steps carefully for the first time, and here are some questions which you need to solve. So you will solve this later on. First you can focus on the main task, which is the task 4, right? And it says open the navigation menu and click API and services. The navigation menu is here. I've already clicked it. I will see API and services. Then can see libraries. So I will click here. It says API and services and library, right? And under the API search, dialog flow, right? Dialog API is basically a function. You want something, a function fetches you and it returns you, right? So API is in the layman terms, we you can define API as that. So in the search box, I can, yeah, you don't have to write the full thing. That's what I wanted to tell. That if I do my SQL, that means it will autofill the whole thing, right? If I type enter, and it will list you thousands of API, right? Use this one and this one, right? And for iOS it uses this one. So you don't have to look and here and there. Just focus. Okay. If I do this, see it's coming already. So see, here is only one result. That means it's the only one which we are finding. And what it does is it builds conversational interface. Like when you're talking to your voice assistant, the speech is getting transformed into text. How it's happening? It's happening due to Dialogflow API, right? So you have to, and see there is an enable option. Third step, which says click enable. Now I have to click enable. It will take some time because it's a huge API. Meanwhile, we can read the last. Okay. Click AI, a new browser will display documentation. You can do that. For the sixth step, you can just return to the main page. And here is the main crucial part of the lab is where you can check your progress, like how much you have done and what you need to do in the next. Right. Now, if I see, I will click back again. Right. And for some time to get the report. See, it's running. Okay, something is running. That means the thing is working. If I click the check my progress, I think it will show blue green tick, which specifies the assessment is complete. Right. So I have to click here, and you can see the my lab is complete, and I am getting the ratio 1:1. Right. So this way you have to do all the labs, right? If I click the end lab, and here I will click submit. So whenever I submit, it will ask for comments and ratings. You can give whatever you want, it doesn't matter. So coming back to the our home page, which is the, you can see after I did this thing, this will be marked as completed. So now you have to, similarly you have to begin all the courses, right? When I will click begin, here are many things, right? And mind you, these are not large labs, right? This is a simple one. If I click enroll, right, I will click enroll. Now you can see there is 1 minute video, 2 minute video, and if you see the document, right, everything in this video are listed in the document. So you don't have to see all the videos, you just read this workbook and you are ready to go. And similarly you should have quizzes, right, to mark your progress, to check your progress. So what you need to do, you see all these three videos, and the information you get from these videos will be asked in the in this quiz, right? So after this quiz are completed, you can just read a document and you can perform the last quiz. So these quiz are very simple actually. Let me show you. See, these are MCQ based, and you can give as many times as you want. There is no limitation. But I'll suggest what you is start doing the lab as soon as possible, because there are many labs. 8 labs are a huge thing. Okay, so the earlier you finish the labs, the more better you get. So there are 10 questions, I guess. 10 questions, and after you, like, I am randomly putting this answers to show you. See, these square box are multiple, and these circular boxes, these are single correct, right? So I will do a random thing, and I will click submit. Acha, there is one question we have not answered, right? See, the submit button is enabled. Now I will click submit. Obviously it will not take because the answer are correct, answers are incorrect, right? So you can get the answer here, but but I'll suggest you that read the document and then do the quiz. It will help you. So I guess that's it. Wait, you need to do all this. There are 6 labs here. So after you finish this template, right, you can start doing this template, this one, and up to logging, right? You have to finish all these within 14th December. So please, okay, if you face any problems, you can let me know. Right, and one more thing I would like to say this. Uh, See, here is our GDSC chapters, right? And likewise, We have hosted many sessions before, and in the upcoming days we will also conduct many sessions here. So how will you get notified is, you just, for example, I'm just opening this here, right? So what I will do now is, you can see, here is a button called join us. So I will click join us for a new chapter member. I will log in here, okay? And after I log in, right, I will see, you will see you are a member of this group since the date will be changed, right? So after you do that, you will receive all the emails regarding those events which we are conducting in the future or will be conducting nearby, right? So I guess that's covers all the thing you need to know. And if you face any difficulty, I'm there in the group. You can text me, or you can also call me. I have no problem. But don't. But one request to all the first years: don't hesitate to ask something which you don't know. But that doesn't mean that you will ask anything. Okay, like someone asked me, ki, if I don't have 9 credits, what we will do? It's okay. It's fine, you have no problem. If you are not attending this course, if you are not, like, you are not getting the 9 credits, don't worry. In the next pathway, in the next cloud program, you will surely be able to attend the program, right? So there is no harm in missing in one event. Just keep yourself updated, and if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm stopping the recording here.